All right, next up we have Jackhammer. This is another one of the original Series 1 vehicles. And the guy driving Jackhammer, they had great names in M.A.S.K. This guy was Cliff Dagger, and his helmet is Torch. This was your quintessential bruiser kind of character. He was brawn with no brains.
We've got all the vehicles we need. Maybe, but this vehicle has something you lack. Intelligence.
Sorry if I forgot to mention, but it wasn't obvious. Cliff Dagger is one of the original henchmen of the main bad guy, Miles Mayhem. And just like Condor, this is another vehicle that I think was pretty common back in the day. I feel like if you watched the show or you were into these toys, everyone had a Jackhammer. And actually, of all the M.A.S.K toys, this is one of the most sturdy ones. So they usually stand the test of time, and everything still kind of works on them.